day 13 of NSE Investment Challenge 2025. This video is just going to be brief. I want to go through some of the things I've learned this week while doing the NSE Investment Challenge. As you can see, the markets are closed, so I'm gonna go through some of the things that I've learned this week kwa hii investment challenge, ndio. So because at the end of the day, you have to learn something. If you're not learning, you're earning, and if you're not earning, you're learning. So let's go, let's go. So today the stock market is closed. So first things first. Stock market, first things first, you learn is that I learned is that the stock markets open at 9 a.m. and close at 3 p.m. So everything happens between 9 to 3. People make money from 9 to 3. So on weekends the market is closed. Saturday, Sunday mazee the market is closed, but at the end of the day money never sleeps. So lazima uangalie mazee ma vitu zenye zinaendelea mazee, news, the money never sleeps at the end of the day. So you have to look at where how can I say this, updates on the business sector. Lazima uangalie updates, ndio. So that's that, ndio. As you can see over here mazee, the market is closed. Jana KPLC mazee, stima zili lost, so like I couldn't do anything mazee. I sold my stock mazee, and then now I can't sell my stock again mazee. Stima zili lost, but end of the day hakuna excuses, bado niliweza kuupload, ndio. Number 2, the second thing nililearn, ni do your own research. You have to do your own research. Checking, I cannot even stress this enough. You have to do your own research. Unakumbuka ile siku where I just bought stocks just like that mazee on impulse. I had 15 minutes, we spent 100k in 10 minutes. That turned out to be a big mistake because I lost money in that. I lost the money that I put in, I lost. So that was a very big mistake. We lost so much money. You have to do your own research. You have to do your own due diligence. You have to go through like plenty of financial information before you actually accurately make a decision. I'm pretty sure the mathematical equations involved. You have to look at the statement of finance. I think it's the third video where the financial information ilikuwa lazima uangalie vitu kadhaa mazee kabla you actually make a decision. And me, I really think like this weekend is where now like people gather that information and make a decision, so that when the gates are open on Monday at 9 a.m. guys are making their decisions. Okay, the other thing is repetition. The other thing I learned is repetition. Repetition. You can't just do like one day and then come back. Like yesterday, a friend of mine called me and told me he wants to sign up for the investment challenge, all because like I kept coming back again. You have to keep coming back again and again, not just looking at it once and then going and then thinking something is going to magically appear. Lazima urudi tena na tena. I think repetition is the father of all success. You have to, if anything you want to succeed, you have to repeat, learn, repeat, improve, learn, repeat, improve, learn, repeat, learn from your mistakes mazee, improve the system. So repetition mazee lazima iko hapo, lazima ushinde ukirudi kwa hii stuff mazee. The other thing I wanted to say, the other thing I learned is do not impulse buy. I think I'll say that again. Usi impulse buy. Usiseme ati umjamali niambia hivi mazee stock it. No. We did that. We spent 100k. We spent that 100k in 10 minutes. Na hiyo kitu imekuwa blanda to the point that like hadi sahi bado inani affect. Wanielewa? So do not impulse buy. Again, I'll stress again. It's back to the first thing I learned. Do your own research, sindio? Alafu the other thing mazee to learn, the video for yesterday ilikuwa nasemaje, AI used in trading. Unaweza tumia AI kutrade. Unaweza tumia AI kutrade, unaweza tumia AI kutrade, but you have to feed it a lot of information. Let's say like download company data. Say, let's say you take it through the company data. I think there are certain AI models that are specifically for the finance world. They're very expensive, must not see ChatGPT. You can use AI, you can use ChatGPT, yes, but that's a high risk you're taking. There are certain models that finance people in the finance world wanatumia. I hope mazee one day mtu wa finance mazee aniambie hii stuff, si ndio? Alafu kuna certain terms that are used in the NSE, especially ile time I prompted the AI to use quantitative data analysis. So the first term I learned was NASI. So that's the Nairobi All Stock Index. All stocks, the entire stock exchange, the index that is used on that what's it called, stock exchange, Nairobi All Stocks Index. No, that's NASI. And then there's NSE 25. NSE 25, there's NSE 25, NSE 20, and NSE 10. So NSE 25 is the largest company in the stock market. NSE 20 is the top performing public companies in the stock market, and in the securities exchange. I'll stop saying stock market. I'll replace it with security exchange. And then the NSE 10 are the companies that are moving the most stocks, like the companies that stocks are moving the most. Tunacheki ka Safaricom, as Safaricom is like an NSE 10, and it's also an NSE 20 because it's one of the top performing stocks. I don't know if it's the top performing stock, but I can say it's in the NSE 25 because it's one of the largest companies in the stock market. And then finally, the other thing I learned also is about the SWF. What's it? SWF, Sovereign Wealth Fund. So the Sovereign Wealth Fund is the state-owned investment fund which gathers from excess profits that are made from mostly from exports. Let's say you export tea, export coffee, export nini, the excess that comes out from that export ama investments. It's a state-owned investment fund that invests in assets and finances of different kinds. The largest in the world is Norway. It's 1 trillion, and I saw it on the Business Daily and I decided to check it out. Apparently it's a very big deal. So they invest in it's a government investment. They invest in various things. And then what else? From there, Maze, that's I think that's all I have for today, Maze. You guys have a good weekend, Maze. End of the day, see you Monday, Maze. Peace out.